In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" problem on the Google Play Store. This is a common issue that happens when an app update doesn't fully match your device, or when cache data and settings on your Play Store are causing conflicts. Don't worry, by following these steps, you'll be able to install most apps without any compatibility errors. First, locate the Google Play Store app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Hold the Play Store icon and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select App Info or App Details. This will take you to the app's settings page where we can clear cache and reset it. Once you're on the App Info page, tap Storage and Cache. Here, the first thing we want to do is tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing the compatibility problem. Even though it sounds simple, clearing the cache can solve a lot of issues instantly. Next, go back to the previous page and tap Force Stop at the bottom right corner. Confirm by tapping OK. Force stopping the app temporarily shuts it down so it can refresh its data properly. After that, return to Storage and Cache again, and now tap Clear Storage, sometimes labeled as Clear Data. This will reset the Play Store to its default state, essentially making it like a fresh installation. Confirm by tapping Delete or OK. Keep in mind, this won't delete your installed apps, it only resets the Play Store app itself. Now, reopen the Play Store. Once it loads, search for the app you want to install and tap Install. In most cases, the compatibility error should be gone. If the problem still persists, make sure your device software is up to date by going to Settings greater than System greater than Software Update. Also, check that the app version actually supports your Android version. Tip: if clearing the Play Store data doesn't help, you can try uninstalling Play Store updates by going to App Info greater than uninstall updates. Then restart your device and try installing the app again. And that's it. By following these steps, you can solve most Play Store compatibility errors without needing any third-party apps or complicated workarounds. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.